So for request number 4, I added a new button in my uh, mesh editor. So if you click the save OBJ, it doesn't actually save any OBJ so far, but you can choose a AZ root folder. For example, as an example, I'll just choose like a big crab. Let's say I'm updating big crab. It parses the metadata file and populates the fields. And if you choose a root folder that doesn't have any metadata yet, so in this new asset folder, it's like a test folder I created. It has other files, but it doesn't have the metadata file. It would just unpopulate it and maybe suggest version 001. And also use the folder's name as like the asset name, because that's the convention that we settled on. So if let's just do something like initial commit. And for keyword, I'm going to do something like test A, B, C. And once I press OK, it says it's created a new metadata file because there wasn't one there. And it automatically opens this VS Code file with all the new metadata stuff. Interesting, if I try to update it, let's say I go back into new asset, I'm updating this asset again, it would parse in the information that I had something before. So then say assuming P2, right? Second commit. And let's say I want to add another keyword. So testing hard, right? And I want to increment my version. It would say metadata updated successfully, and here in VS Code you can see it. And let's say I'm trying to update it again. Right. It's ready. Finalized, let's say. Alright, we get this. And that's how this mesh editor is able to update the metadata JSONs. And for request 5, I just created a Python script that can actually just run and check the asset structure. So let's try to do it on the asset that we just created. So a new asset, let's check if it's working. Oh. All right, let's try. Let's try it on. 等会儿得剪一下，烦死了，这太长了，一次做不完。Alright, let's try it on Big Crab. So I created for request number 5, I created a Python script. So if we run it on, let's say Big Crab, it says that everything's valid. That's because Big Crab is formatted very well. But let's try it on Big Crab missing files. So it's missing a lot of files, and let's see if it catches it. Big Crab missing files. Alright, so it lists out all the things that it's expecting, but it's not finding. And the user can probably use this information to correct the asset structure. Let's try one more time on a different type of error. In this file, wrong metadata, everything's there, but if we look at the metadata, it's actually formatted incorrectly. For example, instead of asset structure version, we have not asset structure version. The asset name's not correct. And has texture is there, but it's not a boolean. Let's see if it catches it. Yeah, so in the error log, we see that there's like wrong keys in the metadata, wrong naming, keywords, it's not even a list. and it catches that texture is not a boolean. And I think so far it catches the mistakes pretty well.